Hello everyone and welcome to the Autopedia channel and also to the second episode of the 20 most important cars of the 20th century. So let's get started. The first Mini Morris, introduced back in 1959, was the fruit of the fast-growing cities and their lack of space for bigger vehicles. And the best solution was to develop small two-door, four-seats vehicles, thing that Mini did very well with the first Mini Morris model. A surprisingly spacious interior and a great maneuverability made this tiny vehicle to be loved and desired by the most of the car enthusiasts of that time. And those two important characteristics were given by the fact that the first Mini Morris equipped transverse engine placement and innovative suspension system, combination that not only maximized the interior space but also provided a pleasant driving experience, making it a joy to navigate through the tight urban streets. Despite its small size, the Mini Morris offered a surprisingly roomy interior that could accommodate 4 passengers. But that was not all. The Mini Morris success transcended its original purpose as a city car, going on to dominate the rally racing scene and achieving important victories in prestigious racing events such as the Monte Carlo Rally. Now, coming to our times, the Mini became a very modern and sophisticated vehicle, having even a full electric version and also being a worldwide known and loved vehicle. As a conclusion, we can clearly say that the first Mini Morris was a revolutionary vehicle that changed the face of the big city streets. And with that being said, thank you very much for watching our video till the end, and if you like it, please hit us with a like and subscribe to our channel for more new upcoming videos.